So if you have installed Homebrew in your system, then how you can check using the terminal command. So let's open the terminal, and here you can write the command which brew. So it will show the path of the Homebrew in your system, and by this way you can verify that the Homebrew is previously installed on your system or not. There is a other command also you can use, command -b then brew. When you enter, it will work same as the previous command and show the path of the Homebrew in your system. So by this way you can verify that Homebrew is installed in your system. So thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe this channel.